Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing good. So today's video is about that how you can generate crazy carpet cleaning leads and how F16 Media is currently working on getting crazy carpet cleaning leads every day. So carpet cleaning industry is booming day by day and Facebook ads is working super crazy when we talk about crazy lead generation. So basically the first thing first is to make sure that you have a great creative on your ads manager. Okay, for your ads like before and after video or before and after picture with a catchy description and a great call to action which makes sure that you stand out from your competitors. If you are still following a competitor strategy, if you're still copying a competitor strategy in their creatives, you are not going to get good results. It is with every domain out there, like carpet cleaning, air cleaning, chimney cleaning, chimney sweep, power wash, any business that lies into home improvement niche requires consistent leads and appointments, and the strategy is also, of course, quite difficult. So we are actually generating crazy leads and appointments for home improvement businesses like air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, sofa cleaning, chimney sweep, dryer vent cleaning, roofing, solar, and so forth and so forth. So I just want to show you that this is our page. Of course, you can contact us anytime, and the results live here, which are you can see here. So basically, this is the screenshot from Ads Manager. These are the results for 20 hours. Actually, we generated approximately 30 leads, but this was captured after a few hours, so I think we shouldn't count that. But we got 6 leads at that time, and our client closed 3 jobs in less than 24 hours. So that's the problem. I guess he spent $60. No, it was like just $30. Yeah, with some testing as well. So I guess he made more than $400 with that, with $30. So if you are also looking for crazy carpet cleaning leads for your carpet cleaning, air duct cleaning, chimney sweep, drywall cleaning, power wash, driveway wash. So we can help you out with our crazy lead generation strategy. It's simply like go into the description, send us a message on our page or book a free one-on-one call, and we can show you that how we can scale your business. We can get you 5+ crazy leads every day. So these are not messages, these are crazy leads where customers are sharing their name, number, and their zip code. So before you call them, you know that where do they live, so you can call them and book an appointment. So these leads are crazy. And beside that, you saw that there were 30 leads. So 3 leads were closed, and we are gonna take the update from our client, and he said like the 4 were appointments for later, but 3 were closed, as means that he was paid. So if you're looking for crazy leads for your air cleaning, carpet cleaning, or any business that lies under home improvement, we can help you out with crazy lead generation. So hoping to serve you and see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.